This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can open a Word doc in Google Docs. Did you know that you can open Microsoft Office files in Google Docs? So that is not just limited to Microsoft Word, but you can open up Excel files and PowerPoints in Google Sheets and Google Slides, respectively. The first thing you need to do is you need to locate the file inside of your Google Drive. And if you don't know how to upload files from your computer to your Google Drive, you can watch the video that is linked above or linked below in your description. I'm going to click on this file called The Old Clock, which is a Microsoft Word formatted file that you can see from this W in the icon. When you double click on that, it will open up this document in Google Docs. And as long as you don't have any sophisticated formatting in Microsoft Word, it should appear exactly or very close to how it would appear natively in Microsoft Word. From there, you can make edits to the document. And then when you open up this file later on in Microsoft Word, that edit will be there. If you decide that you want to convert this to a Google Doc, what you do is you go to File, then select Save as Google Docs, and it will open up a new tab with that document in Google Docs format. You can do the same thing in Google Sheets with a Microsoft Excel file, and the same thing in Google Slides with a Microsoft PowerPoint file. So this video shows you how to open up a Word file or any Microsoft Office file inside of Google Docs and Google Sheets and Google Slides. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.